Hello, welcome to my channel. Sunday morning with Scotland mushroom foraging and fishing. Today we're back at Aberdour lighthouse, which is there. I decided to come back here because I'm still chasing like a 3-pound codling, but also the beaches are only throwing up small flounders at the moment, so I'd rather be here. But also there's still mackerel around, there's still whitebait around, and so of course then there will bass be around. So that's why I got some bait. I dug some fresh ragworm this morning. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, nice, lovely. That was hard work this morning. I got some preserved ragworm, and I also got some whitebait, which I'm going to put on a 2-hook paternoster boom rig and chuck them out, because the birds are diving this morning. So yeah, we only can try. So I got the first one rod set up, of course for rough bottom ragworm, 3-0 hook, floating beads, 4-ounce lead with a 20 pounds breakaway, and my trusty surf chieftain flounder. Yeah, I got it for about 10 years, and the ring's not even worn. So yeah, so we're going to get this one cast out and then see what the days is going to bring and develop. Okay, stay tuned. Right, the second rig is ready. Yeah, 2-hook paternoster boom rig with some whiting on there, elasticated on there. So let's see if that's catching something. Yeah, 4-ounce lead. So we just blast it out and then see what happens. Stay tuned. And we're fishing. Both rods in the water. And see what happens. Stay tuned. Yeah, beautiful morning. We're going to forecast is cloud, sunshine, light wind. So yeah, looks good for this morning, and see what happens with the fishing wise. So let's see if we get a bite. I don't know. It's not a big tide today, because last time when I was here on the spring tide, something is pulling there, something small, maybe crab. And yeah, as soon as I come to high water and the water was really moving, I got snagged left, right and center. So today is a bit calmer, so should be alright without too much tackle loss. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah, just an update. Oh, there's a bite there on the oh, come on. What happened here? The rig came off. It's ridiculous. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of tackle on the links. I don't know why. That was a good bite. Okay, never mind. Let's get at it. Really? Yeah, that was a good bite. I felt the fish on, and then the rig just came off. And then the other rods, I reeled it in, and one of the crabs snapped off the hook. We're fighting on, and let's see how we get on. I'm sure it won't be the last bite. I never blinked here, and I don't want to make it the first time. So, okay, stay tuned. Yeah, I got a fish on the right hand rod. I think it's a wrasse. It took me straight into the rock. So I gave it some slack and some time. Maybe it's going to come out. So let's try again. Yeah, lost the lead and the fish. Well, at least I got the rig back. That's rough ground fishing. Yeah, it's just another fish in the rocks. Yeah, there must be wrasse or strap conger. Yeah, and all on the right hand rod. That's the territorial wrasse. Right, keep you tuned. Yeah, I'm getting sorry about the wind. I'm getting plagued by little wrasse, and I had another one in the rocks, but I got all the gear back, so that's a good thing. Yeah, must be a little territorial wrasse, a little strap conger. We keep fishing, keep trying. At the moment I've got ragworm on both rods. The left one's got a 1-0 and the right one's 3-0. Same rig. Rough ground rig. See what happens. Either too small or not committed. Maybe it's gone. Yeah, the little wrasse is back. Tap, 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 tap. Well, they're enjoying themselves, swimming. It's cold. Yeah, never mind. Here they're releasing some seal cups. Oh wow. Seagulls going. Not seals, seagulls. Oh wow. Yeah, one is gone. There you go. Fletched.
He's not waiting around.
Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Well, I caught something. Velvet swimming crab, what a beast! Look at that velvet swimming crab. That's a beast. Look at them pinpricks. Wow. And I can see the red eyes. Okay, very velvety. Swimming paddles. Let's let it go. Yeah, I'm going to pick up in a minute. Yeah, loads of bites, crabs, but nothing materialized. There's a free hook and a small fish, but I'm not here for the small fish. No codling.